Implementing QR code. In this presentation, we'll discuss that how we can implement QR code in Busy. QR code is now being used at many places and especially for making payments. Apart from making payments, there are many other uses of QR codes. Basically, QR code contain many details and these details can be read or scanned using the apps available in the market for reading or scanning the QR codes. So in this presentation we'll discuss that how we can implement QR code for invoices in Busy and how we can read that information contained in the QR code or how we can scan the information from the QR code. Apart from adding QR code in the invoices, you can also add QR code in the item barcode labels. Nowadays, as I have said earlier also, QR codes are very popular and very convenient to use, so it provides very good readability in the item barcode labels also. So in this presentation, we'll discuss it how you can implement QR code in item barcode labels also. So first of all, we'll start with the implementing of QR code in invoices. Implementing QR code in invoice is basically a two-step process. Step 1 is that you need to design a format to specify what all details QR code will contain, like the details you want to include in the QR code, you will specify those details. And step 2 is adding the format containing QR details to the format in which you want to print the invoice. That is, in the first step, you are designing a format for the QR code which will contain all the details. And in the step 2, the format you have designed, you will include that format in the format in which the invoice is to be printed. So first we'll discuss the step 1, designing format for QR code. In this we'll specify the data to be included in the QR code, that is data that will be read or scanned from the QR code. For this, first of all, we'll go to administration, configuration, invoice document printing, advanced option. Here we'll select the sales invoice as we are designing QR code to be used in the sales invoice. We'll select the sales invoice option, click the add format button and specify the name for the QR code format. Now we have created the format and now we'll configure this format. So we are selecting the format that we have created, clicking the header button, click the fields available button, or you can press the Alt F4 key from the keyboard. At the right hand side you can see a list is appearing. Here you'll need to select the fields that you want to include in the QR code. So first we are selecting the field of company GST number, then we have selected the option of billed party GST number. You can see in the list category wise details are appearing, so you can select the category and then further select the data field you want to include in the QR code. We have selected next voucher bill number field, then voucher bill date, and then we are selecting the amount grand total field. So these are all the details that will be included in the QR code. That means when you will read the QR code generated by Busy, then all these details will be read, that is all these details will be scanned or printed. Now we'll discuss our step 2, that is adding QR code format to the invoice format. The format you have created, that is the format which is containing the details of the QR code. Now we will use this format in the format in which the invoice is to be printed. For this, either you can create a new format or you can use it in your existing format. So here we have already created a format with the name sample format. In this format we'll include the QR code format. So we'll click the header part because we are embedding the QR code in the header part. Here you need to click the print styles button, or you can press the F4 key from the keyboard, and you need to select the QR code tag. This tag will be used to print the QR code. In this tag you can see first QR underscore code is appearing. This is fixed part. Then is F colon. F colon will write if we are specifying a format name in front of it, that is after F colon whatever text we will write, Busy will treat it as a format name. You will specify the same format, invoice format that you have just created, in which you have included the details that are to be embedded in the QR code. We have designed a format with the name QR code, so here we are writing QR code. So this is the format, F colon, name of the format. Now instead of specifying a format, that is you do not want to create a format and you simply want a QR code to be generated for a static text, then here you can write T colon and the static text. By static text we mean that the fixed text or fixed content for which you want to generate the QR code. For example, we want to generate QR code for our website, then we'll write T colon, the name of the website.
here we have written t:/www.busy.in. This means that QR code will be generated for this particular text, and whenever you will scan that QR code, www.busy.in will be displayed on the device from which you are scanning the QR code.
Now we'll print the QR code. For this, we are opening a sales transaction in the modify mode. Click the print button. Here we are selecting the invoice format as sample format, not the QR code, because QR code format, it includes only the details, and that QR code format is included in the sample format. That is the name of the format that we have used. We have selected the sample format. Now we are exporting it to the PDF file, and on the screen you can see the QR code is appearing in the invoice. This QR code contains all the details that we have specified while designing the QR code. Now we are reading or scanning this QR code from our mobile. In our mobile we have app for scanning the QR code, and we are scanning this QR code from that app. On the screen you can see complete details are read from the QR code: company, GSTN, party, GSTN, bill number, date, amount. So all these details are appearing on your
mobile. As these details are appearing in the similar way, if you have scanned the QR code that we have generated for the static text www.busy.in, only www.busy.in will have appeared on our mobile screen. So this is the implementation of QR code in invoice. Now we will discuss how we can add QR code in item barcode. As I have mentioned earlier also that QR codes are very convenient and provide better readability. Hence, it's a good idea to use QR code in the item barcode also. This is again the same process. First, we will add the QR code in an item barcode label, and then we can print the item barcode label in which the QR code is embedded. So first of all, we'll go to the item barcode printing add-on. Here we'll click the configure barcode label option, and we are here creating a new format. If you already have a format, then you can use that format. But here we are creating a new format by clicking the add format button, specify the name of the format, and click save button. So we have created this format, and next we'll configure this format by clicking the configure format button. In the screen you'll click the configure label button, and on the screen you can see you can configure the label, item barcode label. This is basically drag and drop designing. Here you can drag and drop any control onto the label. So for adding a control, we'll double click the add control button. You can see the control is added on the label, and in the type field on the right hand side we'll select the QR code option. After selecting the QR code option, next in the value field you will select the required value, that is the value for which you want to generate the QR code. You can select the item name, item alias, or other item related details as provided in this list. Next, we'll specify the height and width of the QR code, that is the height and width of this control. Please remember QR codes are generally square in shape, so it is mandatory in Busy to specify same height and width of the QR code. That is the control you have added must be square in shape. The height and width should be same of this control. Next, if you want, you can design the label as per your requirement. Like here we are adding another control, and we are specifying its type as data field and value as item name. That is, this control will show the name of the item. MRP is already included in the label, so you can design the label as per your requirement and click the OK button to save this label. Next, click the save button to save the format of the item barcode label. So this is a process of including QR code in the item barcode label. Now we will see how you can print these labels. For this, we'll click the print barcodes from item master option. On clicking this option, next you will select the format that you have just created. That is, we have created this format right now in which QR code is embedded. So let's specify the number of copies and specify whether you want to print barcodes for all the items, group of items, or selected items, or single item. And then on clicking the preview button, you can see on the screen the item barcode labels are appearing with QR code in them. You can see the QR code and the name of the item below it. So this is the process of adding QR code in the item barcode labels. In this presentation, we have discussed it how you can use QR codes in invoices and item barcode labels. Hope after going through this presentation, you would be able to easily implement QR codes in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.